Okay, let's create another texture. You can click here and choose New RenderWorks texture, or a real quick way, right mouse click just next to another texture, New RenderWorks texture. Let's call it marble. What sort are we going to use? We're going to use marble. If you want to edit it, go ahead and edit it, change the colors, or if you just choose the regular marble, click on edit, you can actually change some of the colors. I'm just using a Macintosh, so I'll just use some crayon type colors. How about that one? What does that look like? Ooh. Okay, so now we're going to go OK. Let's go to our classes button here, choose classes ... and if we click on a floor, double click, use at creation. What texture do we want to use? Let's use marble at creation. So let's select the floor object, assign it to the floor class, and do you want the selected objects to use the graphic attributes? If you say yes, every time you make a change you're going to have to answer yes. If you choose yes always, it'll always do it. Now that should have picked up the class texture, and there it is now. So it's got the class texture. So if I go back to my class button, let's double click on floor, let's change this from marble to wood. And so it changes. So that's how you can use classes to automatically assign textures to objects, which I think is a very fast way of doing it. If you make classes specifically for textures, it makes it very quick to go through your file editing textures, because all objects of the same texture have the same class, so it's very quick to go through editing all of them. If I go back now and let's edit this texture, it has no reflectivity, so let's do Chrome. So we should have, let's just render this in Final Quality RenderWorks. Have we got any light source in there? I'll worry about that later. I was just going to have some fun with it.